Your policyholder has experienced a partial or total loss, and they need some place to stay until the necessary repairs to their home are completed. While MyKey can get your insured into a hotel room within hours, we are already working on a long-term solution that will save you money and deliver more value to your customer. Hotels are the perfect solution in the event of an emergency, but daily rates, hotel taxes, parking fees, and the cost of eating out 2 to 3 meals a day adds up fast. That's why at MyKey, our goal is to get your policyholder into a long-term housing solution fast, almost always within 3 days of the loss. Long-term housing solutions, such as furnished apartments and private home rentals, include full kitchens to eliminate meal per diems, include on-site parking, so say goodbye to daily parking fees, and laundry expenses disappear thanks to the on-site washer and dryer. Your policyholder has more space and enjoys more comfort, all while getting more out of their ALE limit. And as the insurer, you reduce your loss costs while delivering more value and higher satisfaction to your customer. At MyKey, we'll even proactively manage extensions or notices to vacate your customer's long-term housing solution. Using our proprietary MyKey technology, we constantly monitor every guest's stay so we can address these potential issues well in advance. No more last-minute panic around needing more days. No more incurring unnecessary costs paying for housing you no longer need. Try MyKey for all your ALE housing needs. We do more, so you get more. More value, more satisfaction, more happy customers.